y'all, somebody just come up from where. Welcome to the weekend vlog. The vibe up in the ocean, people. Look there. Them active when I run them. Hey boy. Good man. Hey guys, so welcome to the weekend vlog. I'm trying out this weekend vlog thing. I don't know. During the week, I'm pretty much not doing anything but working and honestly, whew, and sleeping. It's the weekend. It's Friday. I'm in a good mood because guess what? Even though the temperature not that great, it's sunny. This weekend gonna be nice. Yeah. So I actually just went to pick up a package that I swear the slightest thing that I do, I'll be out of breath. So I just went and picked up a package that UPS tried to deliver at my house on Monday, but they missed me. Nobody was home to like sign for it and stuff. Obviously people busy, people are working on these things, so nobody was home to sign for it. So they dropped it off at like a UPS checkpoint area, and I went yesterday to pick it up, but they were closed, so I went today after work to go get that. So that's that. That's a wig that I have to do. So I'm about to take this off tomorrow. I really like this hair, but I only like it when I'm in makeup. Like with bare face and stuff, I feel like it don't look right. So this is, when I take it off, I'm gonna wash it and put it down for like when I know I'm actually going somewhere and I have an outfit that'll complement with it, and I'm gonna wear makeup instead of like a everyday. And then I had to pee, and I was close by my house, so I stopped to pee, and that was the vibe that I walked in on. They're home playing music and cleaning and stuff. Mommy's actually coming home from work today, so all of us will be home. That don't really happen that all of us are in the house except nighttime at the same time, like during the day. So that's good. So we're probably going to try to hold a vibe. They're still working on the nursery. They're going to do that a little bit later when the guy comes, because the guy actually comes to work on the nursery, and like Sweets help him out and stuff. So yeah, I'm heading to the bank so I can get money out for my envelopes, for my cash stuffing. I know I don't film those anymore, but I still do it. Hopefully y'all are saving too. But yeah, I'm about to go do that and just come back. I'm contemplating if I want Starbucks. Now here's my habit. My habit is Starbucks and go to the bank because they're right next to each other. But I really don't need Starbucks, so I probably won't get it. I'll probably just come home and chill with the boys them. They're trying to put me onto some tunes, and I really love that Gunman Shift song. It's a couple of them that I like. Hey guys, good morning, happy Sunday. Now I told y'all were gonna get a weekend vlog. Yesterday did not work out the way I planned. Yesterday was Saturday. I didn't do much yesterday. I only went to the nail salon. I got up early to beat the rush. I got my nails done. I got my nails done, got my feet done, and I got my eyebrows done. And I just realized this morning that she took part of my eyebrows. So I plan to tint it anyway, so hopefully that will hide it. I took this wig off last night because the plan yesterday was to film 2 hair videos. It did not work out, so I took this wig on. So me and Sweet's about to go to Walmart. So I'm all like, let me wear my straight back braids. Sweets wasn't having it, so I just threw this back on. It's not glued or anything, so if you see lace lifting, mind your business. But anyway, we're about to go not really grocery shopping. I'm about to pick up some stuff real quick. I said I wanted to make breakfast, but the way it's looking right now, it's more like make dinner, grab breakfast somewhere else, because I can't do both and film this video. Jesus, you only look at you hold it, because I can't get up there. Boy, my shot. Everything in iPad. Too tired. No, you're not too tired. Just well answer morning, guys. Oh, he claimed he gonna vlog the labor and delivery. I'm vlogging. So I'm giving you practice. A vlog. How would you vlog? I'm not gonna be there to. I'm not gonna be there to do nothing. Well, I am gonna be there, but not like. Say Alpha. I need to get my chopsticks from downstairs. But anyway, where y'all go? Invictus. Oh, that popcorn song there go. Are the Invictus in the top, right? You call one. Oh, y'all kill me. Anyway, guys, let's go to Walmart. I totally forgot to vlog in Walmart just now. Like totally. Whew. But we got what we needed. I'm actually about to scan my receipt. If y'all don't have Fetch Rewards on y'all phones to scan any receipt, I'm gonna drop my referral link down below. You can start out by getting 2,000 points, and I get 2,000 points. But basically what Fetch is, it's a rewards program that you can scan any receipt. It doesn't have to be grocery receipts. And you can get gift cards for Amazon, Starbucks, airlines. I saw Delta Airlines on there. I'm gonna show you. So the rewards that you can get: Amazon, Starbucks, Dunkin', CVS, Papa John, Ulta for my girls who love Ulta and all of that. There's a bunch that you can get. I don't know half of these things. Auto parts, so people who have cars, Airbnbs for my girls who like to be flown out and go places, American Eagle, Applebee's, Apple, okay? So all of these things, so definitely go. As you can see right now, I have 41,000 points. I just been racking up. My mom cashed out actually, and she got like $30 in Amazon cards. Let me show you right now, because I think Amazon is the most popular thing right now. So if I click on my Amazon, I could get a $10 gift card or a $25 gift card, but I'm just gonna wait till I reach 50,000 to get the $50 Amazon gift card, period. I'll drop my referral link down below. Go check it out. It's for free. It costs you nothing to scan your receipt. I even got this one, stealing my receipts to scan now. How many points you got? Look a bit too much. I mean, you just started. So it's like a tug of war for receipts in the house. You got 5,600. That's not bad for somebody who just started. So anyway, guys, we're about to head home. Sorry I didn't get to take y'all in Walmart. Going home. I'm gonna try to cook today. Gonna try and cook today on this fine Sunday. Reach on my everything for a good while now. Anyway, Cease was like clean up the kitchen because I cannot function in a kitchen that's not, you know. So anyway, I'm over here waiting on him so I can come season the meat. I said my season the meat for me. Whoa. So I appreciate it. Guys, something is wrong with my turtle tank. Like, they legit just cleaned the water and look at the water. Like, at this point, it's something wrong. It's not about, because it literally just cleaned not even a week. Whenever sunshine hits the tank, it became that color. That's why I moved it from over there. And this week was sunny and the blinds and stuff was open. So maybe that's why. But I don't know. Shout out to me for paying for change water again. So I'm also gonna pack my hospital bag today. I think I'm gonna film a video on like what's in my hospital bag. You know what I hate? I like when I watch people what's in my hospital bag and people in the comments be like, oh, you don't need all that, blah blah blah. Like, let me make my mistakes. Like, I am gonna pack my hospital bag to my comfort. Like, so if it might be, I don't think it's gonna be extra, but it might be just like, girl, you don't need all that. But I want to be comfortable. Like, I want to be comfortable, so I'm bringing just stuff to make me feel like I'm home. And it's nothing crazy, it's just comfortable stuff. I still haven't ordered baby K's outfit yet, and I don't know if I want to, because I know Sweet's nothing but a middle name. We haven't finalized the middle name yet, so the stuff that I wanted to order needs his initial on it. So that's also another reason, as well as me procrastinating, that I haven't ordered this outfit yet. I'm 36 weeks this week, y'all, so crazy. So almost in month 9, and sleepless nights. Last night was rough. I didn't get to sleep that much last night. I was up, I couldn't lay down, I was standing, my feet was hurting. It was just very uncomfortable. I walked my middle both about it because I don't know where else for them. So a lot of trips to the bathroom, but almost there. I'm not complaining, to be honest. I just can't wait to meet him. Shav, yeah, I put on Snapchat, right? And I was like, 1 more month. Shav was just like, let me. And Shav was like, for what? And I was just like, oh, until the baby come. He's like, that long? He can't wait that long. I feel like everybody is. So I was like, what if you had to wait for 9 months? Like, we legit just been waiting for 3 months now versus the whole 9 months. I'm just like, what if you had to wait for 9 months? Shav was like, yeah, no, he needs to hurry up. So I feel like a lot of people are just anticipating. People are like, oh, the people in the bun, yeah. I'm like, no, can he bake first? Like, let him bake and get up in my weight, because I want him to be chunky. I want him for just, I like when people just have flesh pan them, I want him to be chunky. And if you're not chunky, I'm gonna feed him pan cornmeal porridge. I'm gonna fill him with some cornmeal porridge, boy, and some mashed potatoes. Cause he gonna get that baby weight. I love seeing, oh my God, I love chunky babies. I love all babies, but you know. Anyway, I'm just yipping and chatting, but this vlog is just gonna be very chatty. I did intend to give y'all a weekend vlog. This is my thing. A lot of mornings I wake up energized and I'm just like, oh, I'm gonna do this, I'm gonna do this, and then the pregnancy, I don't know if it was pregnancy fatigue, but the fatigue just hit me and I just get tired. And yesterday I slept all afternoon, and today I was up around, we got up a little late today, went to Walmart and stuff, and by the time we got in, Sweet has just been doing that, and now he must seasoning meat. So I'm just waiting on him so I can start cooking. It's kind of late. We do cook late in this household. Like, it's 4:45, but it's okay. It is kind of late, but we'll be fine. Nancy was just saying we hardly do much lately. Everything that like I feel like doing, I can't. Like, I honestly just feel like going somewhere and just drinking, like chill, not even eating, just like a vibe. Well, a vibe and drink. Can't do that. And I'm not gonna watch Sweet sit down and drink, and I can drink. No, thank you. I feel like going bowling. Can't do that. Guys, camera's about to die, but Sweet's made dinner. I just had to make rice.